Good morning, departure Vicinity 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Take off runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
In this episode, I want to share air traffic control audio that I captured a couple of days ago while I was flying into the Nashville, Tennessee area. I have a ton of respect for everyone working in the air traffic control system, and especially in areas of high volumes of aircraft traffic. You will hear how busy the airspace around Nashville can be at times, and how the controller keeps everyone safe.
379 Juliet Mike, contact Nashville approach 118.4.
18-4, have a great one, 900 Juliet Mike.
The airspace managed by the Nashville Terminal Radar Approach Control, also known as TRACON, is at times some of the busiest Class Charlie airspace in the nation. This is due to a combination of high volumes of commercial airline traffic, business airline traffic, civil aviation traffic, and also volumes of flight training in the vicinity. I have not yet had the opportunity to tour Nashville TRACON, but I sure appreciate the professionalism and proficiency of all the controllers. You guys are certainly rock stars if you ask me.
Okay, I've got like 18 people calling at once. Everybody stand by. I'm going to call you. /68 Nashville, how do you hear?
/68, loud and clear.
/68, ident, Nashville, altimeter 3023.
3023, /68.
Remember 35672, your radar contact 5 miles south this morning indicating 2,900. Bosnia, ATC information, go.
We have information gone for 35672.
Number 4373 Tango, contact Memphis Center 132.9er.
3.973 Tango.
Number 59906, flighting at 330.
330,
Number /68, radar contact 7 miles east of Smyrna, altitude indicates 3,000, say intentions.
/68, request limited on frequency for ATC for Nashville, and we'll request a local under 2 center.
Okay, /68, you want to come to Nashville now?
Affirm, /68.
/68, expect ILS runway 2 center, flighting 130, and for now, calm and maintain 5,000.
/68, 5,000, 130.
Who else is calling?
Nashville departure Cherokee 485 Tango, we're with you at 2,000, climb to 5,500, track in.
I know that dude.
Hey, Tango, I cannot accommodate any more VFRs at this time. Radar search is terminated. Squawk VFR, change to bar, the frequency is approved.
Squawk VFR, change to about 45 Tango.
/68, flighting a 170.
/68, 170.
Number 59906, flighting a 020 for the descent.
020, no, 06.
Brickyard 4735, clear at Loretta, descend and maintain 7,000.
Loretta, 7,000, Brickyard 4735.
Southwest 43, Nashville approach, yep.
Southwest 43, 13.5, sending via.
Southwest 43.
That's not it right in front of us, is it?
Latest information, go.
To the left a little bit.
Southwest 43, clear at Loretta, descend and maintain 8,000.
Remember I was telling you about when the plane's pitched a little bit crab, so we're crab, kind of like this.
8,000.
So straight ahead is actually a little further to
423,
Smyrna.
contact approach 119.35.
119.35, snapshot 423.
Number 264 Delta, turn right heading 200, vectors ILS 32 at Smyrna.
200, vectors ILS, region 4 Delta.
/68, traffic's off your right hand side and 2 miles northbound, altitude indicates 4,500.
/68, searching.
Nashville Vicinity 379 Juliet Mike, descend on an 8.5 for 8,000.
Number 379 Juliet Mike, Nashville approach advised, and the weather at Smyrna, expected visual approach runway 32, descend and maintain 6,000.
Descend and maintain 6,000, we do have weather for Smyrna, 900 Juliet Mike.
Number 264 Delta, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000.
/68, flighting at 200, traffic's no factor.
Procedure, we're going to go with the...
39 Victor November.
Number 9 Victor, remember, contact approach number 9 Victor, maintain VFR outside the class Charlie, I can see when I can, okay?
Maintain VFR outside the class Charlie, 9 Victor November.
Hey, you talking so fast?
/68, flighting up 270.
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
70.
Look at that mob of traffic, huh?
Reduce speed to 210.
210 now, Brickyard 4735.
Southwest 43, reduce speed to 210.
Speed 210, Southwest 43.
Number 35672, flighting a 160. I'm sorry, flighting a 250. Number 672, flighting a 250.
250 for 35672.
Cessna 672, contact approach 124.75.
124.75, 35672.
November 9906, turn left direct to Smyrna, advise me of the airport in sight.
Left direct, Smyrna inside, 706.
At approach 20 Comanche 17 Mike Bravo 6000, we have the weather gallop and plan the visual.
November 264 Delta, traffic's 1 o'clock and 3 miles eastbound, altitude indicates 3,100.
Looking.
Over 900 Juliet Mike, traffic for 11 o'clock and less than about northwestbound indicating 5,500.
Roger, looking for the traffic.
Flash, contact approach 124.75.
I got him.
2475, 568.
Traffic in sight, 379 Juliet Mike.
Over 900 Juliet Mike, thank you.
Smyrna in sight for 900 Juliet Mike.
Over 900 Juliet Mike, thank you.
Smyrna in sight for 906.
November 906, radar search ready, contact Smyrna Tower 20.5, have a good day.
You too, pal, good day. 906.
Number squawk 0402, Nashville altimeter 3023.
0402, Maverick, November.
17 Mike Bravo's with you, 6,000.
Over 900 Juliet Mike, to maintain 3000.
Just to maintain 3,900 Juliet Mike.
Brickyard 4735, contact approach 124.75.
2475, Brickyard 4735.
Southwest 43, traffic 10 o'clock, 5 miles maneuvering, time and altitude is unknown.
Looking South 43.
Number 264 Delta, flighting of 180, vectors for the approach.
180, 6107.
Number 90 Juliet Mike, expedite the descent, 3000.
Expediting 900 Juliet Mike.
Cessna 900 Victor was radar, contact 3 miles west of Lebanon, altitude indicates 3,500.
Altitude, this is Jack Maverick, November.
900 Victor, maintain VFR at 3,000, advise evaded information, go off, expect runway 2 center.
Alright, maintain 3000, we have golf, expect 2 center, 9 Victor, November.
900 Victor, flighting of 230.
230, 9 Victor, November.
Number 264 Delta, traffic's 1 o'clock, 3 miles east-northeast, when altitude indicates 3,300.
Good looking, 6 Delta.
Over 900 Juliet Mike, turn 10 degrees left, vectors for the descent, and sequence into Smyrna.
10 left, 900 Juliet Mike.
Southwest 43, traffic's no factor, contact approach 124.75.
2475, South 43.
900 Victor, number, contact approach 124.75.
124.75, 9 Victor, November.
Number 17 Mike Bravo, Nashville approach, thanks for your patience, advising of the weather, Gallatin, expect the visual approach, Nashville altimeter 3023.
We have the weather. We'll plan the visual to 35 Mike Bravo. Take lower anytime.
Number 7 Mike Bravo, descend to maintain 5,000.
Out of 6 for 5 Mike Bravo.
Number 9 Juliet Mike, thank you for the help, and clear back to Smyrna, have your approach clearance once it clears the VFR traffic.
Direct Smyrna, 900 Juliet Mike.
64 Delta has traffic.
Sorry, come on, say again.
64 Delta has traffic.
Number 64 Delta, thank you. Number 9 Juliet Mike, cleared visual approach runway 32 Smyrna.
Clear for visual 329 Juliet Mike.
Nashville departure, Cirrus 262 Bravo Charlie at 1000 for 3, off Smyrna.
Number 262 Bravo Charlie, Nashville departure radar contact, good afternoon, climb and maintain 8,000, Nashville altimeter 3023.
3023, 8000 for 262 Bravo Charlie.
Over 900 Juliet Mike, contact Smyrna Tower 18.5, you have a good day.
Over tower, thanks, you have a great one, 900 Juliet Mike.
I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified as soon as videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send me your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight. I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.